Hi guys, welcome to Linear Motions. Today we are going to create this in After Effects. So let's jump into After Effects. First of all, create a composition. I will name it as main, duration to 5 seconds and background color to black. Add your text, LM, resize it to somewhat this much. I am using the font name called Lethal Injector. You can download it from the link in the description below. Bold and center it. You can see the anchor point is at left. To center it, press Ctrl Alt Home. Now right click on the text layer and create shape from text. Disable the fill and enable the strokes. Stroke to somewhat 20. Add an animator called trim path. Go to trim path and add a keyframe at first and go to 1 second 15 frames and add a keyframe. Go to first frame and make the value to 0. You can see a pretty cool stroke animation. Select them and press F9 to ease them. Go to graph editor and make some flow like this. Cool. Now add a glow effect to it. Glow. Increase the radius to somewhat this much. You can see a shiny cool animation. Now disable the visibility of the strokes and enable the visibility of the text layer and turn on the 3D toggle. And now click P, create a keyframe at first, go to 1 second 15 frames, create a keyframe, go to first frame and pull the Z axis where it disappears. You can see a cool 3D animation. Select them, press F9 to ease them and go to graph editor and make some flow. Now enable the glow stroke and pull it to this much. You can see a cool animation. Now add your channel name, decrease the size of the text, type your channel name, Linear Motions, center it. Now add a animator called opacity. Go to opacity, go to somewhat here, create a keyframe, go to somewhat 13 frames, 2 second 13 frames, create a keyframe, go to the first frame and make the value to 0. You can see a fade animation. Now go to range selector, go to the first frame as the opacity and go to start, add a keyframe at start and go to and create a keyframe and make the value to 100. You can see a cool animation. Now right click on the text layer and create shape from text. Now disable the fill and enable the strokes and make the stroke to 3. Add a animator called trim path. Oops. Add a trim path. Go to trim path. And make a animation. Create a keyframe at end and go to somewhat 2 second 13 frames. Create a keyframe and go to the first frame and make the value to 0. Cool. Now select the keyframes and press F9. Go to graph editor and make some flow. Cool. Now add a glow effect to it. Trim it, alt bracket. Add a glow effect and increase its radius to somewhat 27 and enable the visibility of the text. Now you will find a great intro of your channel. If you learned something new from this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this.